Are you in a divorce situation where you have a spouse who hasn't worked in years or is underemployed and you're concerned about paying a lot in child and spousal support? I'm Gerald Maggio, Southern California divorce and family law attorney, and in this video I'm going to explain what a vocation evaluation is and how it can be helpful in a divorce case. So what is a vocation evaluation? Well, it's a professional assessment of a party's employability based on their background and work experience and what jobs are available based on that background. It's particularly helpful in situations where somebody hasn't worked for years, hasn't been in the job market for a long time, or is otherwise underemployed and not earning the type of income that their background would otherwise justify. Here are 9 key aspects of what a vocation evaluation is all about. Number 1, the purpose of a vocation evaluation is to look at educational background, work experience, and any relevant information regarding the employability of a party and how that correlates to the job market, what available jobs are out there and that the other party could be seeking to get based on the skill set. Number 2, qualified expert. A vocation evaluator is somebody that's a professional specifically trained to conduct such evaluations, and they have experience in job market, labor market analysis, skill set analysis, and so on, and are specifically trained for it. Number 3, data collection. A vocation evaluation will consider the background of a party, which is going to be determined by obtaining their resume, likely doing an interview of the party to understand their background, maybe doing testing of their aptitude and abilities to help assess what their employability is and to determine their skill sets that are available that are relevant to the current job market. Number 4, labor market analysis. They can then determine what jobs are available in the current job market at that time that are actually out there and open and available to be applied for based on that background and skill set. Number 5, transferable skills. A vocation evaluation can help determine what transferable skills may correlate to other positions that are available in the job market. And what I particularly mean by that is what skills do they have that can transcend the industry that maybe this party has been in for a long time or had in the past, but that skill set that they had, how can that correlate to job openings in other industries, not necessarily what this party had been in the past. Number 6, educational and training needs. A vocational evaluator can determine gaps in the party's work history and can make recommendations about what types of classes, what types of training, and so on can be acquired in order to bring them up to speed to the current job market and the requirements of the current job market. Number 7, report. The vocation evaluator is going to put together a detailed report of his or her findings based on the interview that they had with the party, what they found out about their educational background, their work experience, and the transferable skills, and that will be detailed in a report that will also include current job openings. So it gives you a whole range, a whole amount of information that can be helpful and be used in the case, and it can be helpful for the party that's getting the evaluation done. Number 8, court consideration. The court can consider the vocation evaluator's report as evidence, but that usually requires the evaluator having to testify in court as to the findings in his or her report. But it certainly can be helpful as a tool, as evidence in court, but it can also be used for a tool in negotiation, because that can be argued in negotiation to say the other party has the ability to work, has the ability to make some income, and so when we factor in what child and spousal support can be, then that could potentially allow for imputation of income based on the findings to come up with a fair amount of child and spousal support that would be part of a final divorce judgment. Number 9, relevance to spousal and child support. The relevance of a vocation evaluation to child and spousal support is that a finding of an ability to work and to find available work can lead to lower spousal and child support orders. So it's really important that you talk with your divorce and family law attorney to determine, does it make sense to do a vocation evaluation under the circumstances of your particular case. If you're going through a divorce or know somebody who will be, feel free to contact us for a free consultation and determine what your next steps are. If you like the information in this video, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel at the end of this video for more helpful information about divorce and family law issues. See you next time.